It was a fun filled afternoon with 80 plus women participating in wonderful games which related to memory, creativity, motor skills, guessing, speaking shairis, and finally a round of meditation. They made 3D models and they also experienced peace and serenity. It was action packed. I am grateful to Yuva Park for giving me this opportunity to organize and host. The feedback has been lovely. I thank Yuva Park for giving me this opportunity. ये मस्ती के